I'm Howard.
I'm Kent.
I'm Brandon.
My name is Aaron Neinstein.
I'm Dr. Saliadi.
My name is Ben.
My name is Jana.
My name is Janice.
My name is Eric.
My name is Ian. I'm Jamie.
I'm Sarah Krugman, and I'm a designer. I'm a software developer.
I'm an endocrinologist.
I'm a software engineer, and I have type 1 diabetes.
I work for Tidepool, and I have type 1 diabetes.
I'm a software developer, and I have type 1 diabetes.
I have type 1 diabetes.
I have type 1 diabetes.
My uncle has type 1 diabetes.
I have type 1 diabetes.
My daughter has type 1 diabetes.
My pancreas stopped producing insulin.
It's an autoimmune disease.
But no one knows why it happens.
Type 1 diabetes has no cure.
I depend on insulin to live.
It's different than type 2 diabetes, when your body still makes insulin, but it just doesn't work as well.
Insulin can be a life-saving drug.
But too much insulin can kill me.
Too much insulin causes hypoglycemia.
Too much insulin can cause your blood sugar to go low, which can cause a seizure.
Or a coma.
But if I don't take enough insulin, my blood sugar goes high.
Which can lead to blindness, kidney failure, amputations.
Figuring just the right dose of insulin is really hard.
My devices don't talk to each other.
And the software that comes with them is way too hard to use.
There's all this data, but there's no way to make sense of it.
There's no way to bring it all together in one place.
There's no way to remember what happened last time I ate this burrito.
No way to remember how my body reacted last time I went for a long bike ride.
There's no way to know that she's safe when she's away at a sleepover.
It's a huge burden for us and our patients.
We deal with this all day, every day.
But we're not letting it slow us down.
We formed Tidepool because we have a vision for an open data platform
And better applications that'll reduce the burden of type 1 diabetes.
We choose to be a non-profit and open source because it lets us help everyone
Everyone.
with type 1 diabetes.
Even though we're nonprofit, we need to generate revenue. We need to build a business.
So that Tidepool can grow and sustain itself.
Which is why we joined the Lean Launchpad at UCSF.
We had so many questions.
You might call them hypotheses.
They were guesses.
They were guesses.
Yeah, we had guesses.
We had guesses.
Who is our customer?
Was it the doctor?
Was it the device maker?
Or the parents of kids with type 1.
Or was it me?
Or was it me?
The Lean Launchpad class gave us the framework we needed to test these guesses.
We talked to over 100 people.
Over 100 people.
People with type 1 diabetes.
Doctors who take care of people with type 1.
We talked to lots of device makers.
Parents of kids with type 1.
Lots and lots of device makers.
We asked what mattered to them.
After about 50 interviews, an amazing thing happened.
Themes started to emerge.
Some of our guesses were right, some were wrong.
We learned that our early adopters weren't who we thought they were.
And we learned that our product was way more valuable than we thought.
Way more valuable.
Way more value.
And then it got even better.
Device makers started calling us and saying, how can we work with you?
People at conferences were putting us in their slides.
Bloggers started writing about us.
Key opinion leaders started talking about us.
All because we had gotten out of the building.
We had gotten out of the building and asked them what we should do.
We had a nerve.
They all wanted to help us get the answers right.
So thank you, Lean Launchpad, and thank you, UCSF.
Thank you, mentors and instructors.
Thank you, Steve,
Thank you.
Thank you.
for getting us out of the building.
Because of you, we're no longer guessing.
We know how to build a scalable business.
We are building Tidepool,
We are building Tidepool.
We are building Tidepool.
and we will forever change the way people think.
About the treatment of type 1 diabetes.